Optima Restore Benefit. Let us tell you more about the unbelievable Restore Benefit. Now, imagine this. You've taken a 5 lakh policy for yourself. And it comes to your rescue when you need it the most. Soon, you are up and running effortlessly. Well, almost, because you've exhausted your policy and you have no cover for anything else until your next policy renewal. But Optima Restore is unlike any other health policy. It's unbelievable. It restores your sum insured 100% for you to use again for any new illness. But that's on an individual policy. Optima Restore also extends beautifully to families too. A policy that's ready for use by all in the family. Which means, if you use up the sum insured of 5 lakhs, it would leave everyone else in the family without the cover. That's where the unbelievable Restore benefit kicks in. If one or more members of the family use up the entire coverage, it gets restored for everybody to use again. For those who are sick, they can use it for new illnesses. And those who may not have used the plan can use it for any covered illness. Wow! Simply put, if you have a 5 lakh policy and you use it all up in the middle of your policy year, it's restored 100% to 5 lakhs. The same happens if you have a 10 lakh policy, restored 100% if you claim it all during the policy year. Have a 15 lakh policy, used it all up, not to worry, restored 100% fully. Unbelievable enough yet? Hold on, all this at no extra charge and absolutely no additional paperwork. It's automatic. Optima Restore, the unbelievable health plan only from Apollo Munich. Get it today. Log on to www.apollomunichinsurance.com or call 1-800-103-0555 or visit one of our 50 branches. Insurance is the subject matter of solicitation.